Samsung created waves with the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in July 2024, followed by the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in South Korea only a few months later in October 2024. While the Special Edition does not directly replace the Fold 6, it is clear that a lot of Samsung's most recent foldable innovations have arrived right here. But if you were hoping that some of the magic of the Special Edition would be carried over to the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, you might want to temper your expectations. Display specialist Ross Young recently offered some exclusive information, stating that Samsung is developing a special edition Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Ross Young, the Fold 7 SE will be designed similarly to the Fold 6 SA, also known as the Galaxy Fold Special Edition. When asked whether the Z Fold 7 will appear like the Special Edition, Ross swiftly dismissed the notion, implying that the next major Fold may not have the same design improvements we've seen previously. So, what actually distinguishes the Special Edition? The key features are its lighter weight and slimmer profile, which make it the lightest and thinnest model in the whole Galaxy Z Fold series. But here's the catch: Samsung hasn't really pushed the limit in foldable design in the last several years. Meanwhile, rivals are catching up with smaller, more polished book-style foldables that are packed with modern technology. A lot of fans were hoping that the Special Edition enhancements would pave the way for a substantial update with the Z Fold 7, however it seems like Samsung may be aiming to retain two different product lines, one for the Core Fold series and one for the Special Edition. So, if you were hoping for a significant improvement in design or functionality with the Fold 7, it seems that will not be the case. According to Samsung's release history, we won't see the next generation foldables until at least mid-2025. Leaks and speculations may begin to give a better image of what's coming sooner rather than later. So what are you hoping for from Samsung's next foldables? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.